The universe has a way of humbling us, reminding us of our small place in the vastness of existence. Just when we think we've figured it out, it reveals something new and unexpected. Every new discovery, every fresh image from the depths of space, reminds us how much more there is to learn. How many secrets the cosmos still keeps hidden. Science isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking better questions, and being open to the unknown. Each time we point a telescope skyward, we're inviting the cosmos to surprise us, to challenge our assumptions, and to expand our understanding. That sense of wonder, that spark of curiosity, is what drives us to explore, to reach further, and to dream bigger. Today we're living through a golden age of discovery, with new instruments revealing the universe in ways we never imagined possible, opening windows to realms we once thought unreachable. Just as we settle into our understanding, the universe throws us a curveball, reminding us that certainty is fleeting. This time, it's Neptune's turn to rewrite the script, to step into the spotlight and surprise us all. For decades, Neptune was a distant, serene blue world, defined by a single iconic Voyager 2 image from 1989, a snapshot that became the face of the planet for generations. That image shaped our textbooks, our imaginations, and our understanding of the outer solar system. But the universe doesn't sit still for portraits. It's dynamic, complex, and full of surprises, always changing, always evolving. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, our new eye on the cosmos, capable of seeing deeper and clearer than ever before. We expected a sharper version of Neptune, a clearer look at a familiar world. What we got was something else entirely, something that defied our expectations. A ghostly, puzzling image that sent scientists scrambling for answers, igniting debates and sparking new theories. The universe had handed us a brand new mystery, a puzzle waiting to be solved, and there's nothing more exciting in science than a good mystery, one that challenges what we thought we knew. This is where our story begins, with Neptune, a planet we thought we knew, suddenly transformed before our eyes, inviting us to look closer and question everything. The cosmic curtain has risen, and the show is about to begin. The universe is ready to reveal its next act. Let's see what Neptune has to reveal, and what new wonders await us in the unfolding drama of the cosmos. Neptune, remote, frigid, and wild. It's a planet that sits at the very edge of our solar system, shrouded in mystery and distance. For centuries, it was just a faint blue dot in our telescopes, a world we could only imagine. It's an ice giant, over 17 times Earth's mass, orbiting the Sun every 165 years. Its immense size and distance make it a true outlier among the planets, a giant that moves slowly through the darkness, far from the warmth of the Sun. Winds there are the fastest in the solar system, reaching over 1,200 miles per hour. These supersonic winds whip through its atmosphere, creating a world of constant, violent motion, far more extreme than anything we experience on Earth. Our best look came in 1989, when Voyager 2 revealed a deep blue world and a massive storm called the Great Dark Spot. That fleeting visit gave us our first real glimpse of Neptune's dynamic weather and swirling clouds. That blue comes from methane gas, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. It's this unique chemistry that gives Neptune its striking, almost otherworldly color, a hue unlike any other planet in our solar system. For decades, this was Neptune, a blue marble with a big storm and faint, incomplete rings. Its rings, thin and ghostly, seemed almost like afterthoughts, barely visible even in our best images. Our models and theories were built on that single snapshot. We pieced together Neptune's story from a handful of images and data points, filling in the gaps with educated guesses. We assumed future observations would just add detail, confirming what we already believed. It seemed like Neptune's secrets were mostly revealed, just waiting for a little more clarity. But the universe rarely follows our expectations. It has a way of surprising us, of hiding wonders just out of reach, waiting for the right moment to be discovered. For 30 years, we saw Neptune mostly in visible light, just one slice of its story. We were limited by our technology, peering at Neptune through a narrow window, missing the richness of its true nature. It's like judging a person by a single photo. You miss the hidden details, the subtle changes, the deeper story that lies beneath the surface. We thought we knew Neptune, but we were about to see it in a whole new light. A revolution in space observation was on the horizon, promising to reveal what had always been hidden. The James Webb Space Telescope would change everything. With its powerful new eyes, it could peer deeper and clearer than ever before, unlocking secrets we never imagined. Our understanding was about to be upended. The data pouring in would challenge our assumptions and force us to rethink what we thought we knew. Neptune was ready to surprise us. The planet we thought was familiar was about to reveal a new, astonishing side. The familiar was about to become unfamiliar. The story we'd told for decades was about to be rewritten piece by piece, and the story of Neptune was about to be rewritten, forever changing our view of this distant blue world. To truly understand Neptune's new look, you first need to know about the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST for short. This incredible observatory is one of humanity's most ambitious scientific instruments, designed to unlock the secrets of the universe. Webb isn't just another telescope, it's a cosmic time machine, allowing us to peer back billions of years to see the universe as it was in its infancy. Launched in 2021 after decades of planning and engineering, its massive gold-coated mirror is the largest ever sent into space, collecting more light than any telescope before it. This means it can see fainter and more distant objects than ever imagined. But Webb's real superpower is its ability to see the universe in infrared light, a spectrum invisible to our eyes but crucial for astronomy. Infrared light reveals what's hidden behind thick clouds of cosmic dust and shows the faint heat signatures of distant worlds, stars, and galaxies. It's like lifting a cosmic veil, exposing secrets that have been hidden for eons. For mysterious planets like Neptune, this is a complete game changer, offering a new way to study their atmospheres and weather. Webb doesn't see Neptune's familiar blue color. Instead, it detects the planet's own thermal glow and the unique chemistry swirling in its atmosphere, revealing details invisible to previous telescopes. It's like switching from a regular camera to a thermal one. You suddenly see a whole new layer of reality, uncovering patterns and features that were completely hidden before. When NASA pointed Webb at Neptune, the goal was to dissect its atmosphere and rings in unprecedented detail, hoping to answer old questions and spark new ones. Scientists had predictions based on earlier missions like Voyager and the Hubble Space Telescope, which gave us our first close-up glimpses of Neptune. But the universe loves to surprise us, often revealing the unexpected just when we think we have it figured out. What Webb revealed was beyond anyone's expectations, astonishing details and phenomena that no one had predicted. The show was about to begin, and Neptune was ready for its close-up, unveiling mysteries that had been hidden for decades. The results would challenge everything we thought we knew about this distant world, forcing scientists to rethink old theories, and open a thrilling new chapter in planetary science, inspiring future generations to keep exploring the unknown. Webb's first images of Neptune were breathtaking and utterly alien. The familiar blue was gone, replaced by a glowing, ghostly orb. In infrared, methane absorbs most light, making Neptune appear dark, cloaked in shadow. But high-altitude methane ice clouds shine as bright spots and bands, revealing weather patterns at the top of the atmosphere. A continuous band of clouds circled the equator, a surprise hinting at powerful global circulation. Bright spots marked massive storm systems, especially in the southern hemisphere. Webb could track these storms with unprecedented precision. At the South Pole, a swirling vortex appeared in stunning detail. This wasn't just a picture, it was a weather map of an alien world. Neptune's atmosphere was more dynamic and complex than we'd ever imagined. Webb's infrared vision had peeled back the planet's secrets, and the surprises were just beginning. But the real jaw-dropper? Neptune's rings. For decades they were faint, incomplete arcs, barely visible. Webb's image changed that in an instant. The rings appeared as bright, continuous bands, clear and complete. 2 narrow rings and several fainter dust lanes encircled the planet, more vivid than ever before. Our old technology had simply missed the full picture. The ring's brightness in infrared suggests they're coated in highly reflective, possibly frosted particles. Their clumpy structured appearance hints at unseen forces, maybe tiny shepherd moons shaping them. Webb also captured 7 of Neptune's moons, including the dazzling Triton, brighter than Neptune itself in infrared. For the first time, we saw the planet, its rings, and its moons in one spectacular family portrait. This holistic view lets scientists study the complex gravitational dance of the Neptunian system. The mysteries of Neptune's rings and moons had never been clearer. Webb had given us a new lens on a distant world, and a host of new questions to answer. Webb's gaze into Neptune's atmosphere revealed a stormy, mysterious world. At the South Pole, a vortex surrounded by high-altitude clouds appeared, never seen before in such detail. A bright equatorial band suggested a powerful global circulation, with air rising, cooling, and sinking in vast planetary cells. Webb's data will help refine our models of these dynamics. The famous Great Dark Spot was absent, but smaller bright spots, likely companion clouds to deep storms, were visible. Neptune's weather is powered by an internal heat source, radiating more energy than it receives from the sun. Webb's temperature maps are helping scientists trace this heat and unravel the planet's wild weather. The puzzle of Neptune's atmosphere is far from solved. The scientific community was stunned. Decades of fuzzy data were replaced by breathtaking clarity. Lee Fletcher called the images the most beautiful, stunning image. For scientists who grew up with Voyager's snapshots, Webb set a new standard. The excitement wasn't just about beauty, it was about the flood of new science these images would enable. Surprises abounded. The rings, the storms, the unexpected details. Discovery often means finding more than you set out to see. This collective sense of wonder is what drives science forward. The universe isn't a solved puzzle, it's an unfolding story. Webb's performance is exceeding expectations, delivering data that will fuel research for years. The whispers from Neptune just got a lot louder, and scientists are listening closer than ever. Webb's images are forcing a rewrite of the textbooks. Neptune's rings are now known to be full, complex structures, not incomplete arcs. The focus shifts from formation to the dynamic processes shaping them. The contrast between dark methane-rich areas and bright clouds gives a clearer map of Neptune's chemistry and heat. Storms and vortices can now be tracked in detail, testing theories of atmospheric dynamics. Science thrives on new evidence. Old ideas are revised or discarded. Webb's data shows Neptune is far more intricate and dynamic than we imagined, and that's the beauty of discovery. We're always learning. Why does this matter? Because Neptune is a key to understanding planets across the galaxy. Ice giants like Neptune are common around other stars. Studying Neptune helps us decode the history of our solar system and the nature of distant worlds. Webb's images are just the beginning. They've opened a floodgate of new questions. Scientists dream of future missions to Neptune and its moon Triton. Armed with Webb's insights, we explore out of curiosity to understand the laws that shape the cosmos. Every time we look, we find something new and beautiful. The journey of discovery is far from over.